How's it going, guys? Adam from Clayton Off-Road. So today we're going to talk to you about our track bar bolt kit slash death wobble repair kit. Common problem with track bars is that the factory bolt loosens up and eggs out the hole. The factory bolt's basically 10 millimeters, so it's hard to get a lot of clamping force. So this is more of a factory style bushing. So what we've done is all of our track bars come with this HD bushing. Luckily these are both Jeep bushings. They pretty much come in this metal housing and they have the same outside diameter, so you can press an old one out and press in this HD bushing. So we sell it as a kit, basically the bushing, the hardware, washers, and that flange nut, or just the flange nut kit as shown here. There are instructions online, torque specs, more details about widths and sizes, dimensions, all that kind of stuff. But common issue is people don't understand what kind of bolt this is, or what kind of nut this is. This is called a top lock, and as you can kind of see in this video, machine comes down and squishes it, so it's not round. This helps so that the bolt doesn't back out. But you're going to basically be able to screw it in a couple turns, and then all of a sudden it stops because it's gotten to the point that's squished. That's completely normal. I get a lot of phone calls that we sent them a bad nut, that the bolt's gotten warped, but that's just by design. So use a torque wrench. Torque spec on a 9/16 grade 8 bolt is 146 foot-pounds, so that'll clamp everything nice and tight. This flange is designed that goes into that pocket, so you're not going to see most of this, and that should help with your death wobble if you have a bad bushing, a weak bushing, or if the hole is egged out. So just make sure that your track bar has a factory style bushing, because this needs to be pressed out, this one needs to be pressed in, then you drill out to 9/16, torque it to 146 foot-pounds, and that will be a much better, stronger design. If you have any questions, comments, check the website for more details or give us a call. Thank you.